Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna cook a famous vegetable dish. Growing up in Penang, this dish has been a staple, especially during Chinese New Year and auspicious festivals. We often call this as Jiu Hu Char, or translated as stir-fry yam bean with dried cuttlefish. Check out the video description for full recipe. First of all, peel and shred the yam bean and carrot. Next, soak the dried cuttlefish and shiitake mushroom with hot water. Then, drain the water away. Finely chop the onion, garlic and slice the shiitake mushroom. In a pan, heat up cooking oil, then place all the chopped ingredients and dried cuttlefish. Place in the shredded yam bean and carrot. Salt and soy sauce to taste. Cover the wok with lid. A small trick I learned from my auntie and I have been loving it since then is not to add any water to the dish. This somehow exudes a sweeter and juicier taste from the yam bean. I'm using Chinese lettuce as a wrap. I simply love the slight bitter aftertaste of the lettuce. You may also substitute it with any lettuce of your liking. And here you go, stir-fry yam bean with dried cuttlefish.